Hello traders, and welcome to our YouTube channel. So you're welcome if this is your first time here. Today is another beautiful day to trade, so we're looking to take our trade with our strategy, and as usual I'm going to explain everything about the setup so you can apply the same while you are trading. So if this is something that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and smash the like button so that this video can also reach out to more people like you who are also beginners and struggling traders as well. If you are here for the first time and you would like to see this type of content again in the future, I will encourage that you subscribe to the channel and do it to also turn on that bell icon so you don't miss out in our future content. So that being said, guys, let us start. So the first thing is we try to analyze the chart. You can see that this is a very strong upturn situation, and the market has recently created a new high, and this is a retracement phase. And we can see that when the market falls like this, it needs to also run again. So though I expected the market to at least rest on these previous resistance levels, but it refuses and it broke, and it has now rest on this previous support. So this is where the market is reversing from currently, and though we are yet to see some weaknesses, I will not place a trade because I don't have any weaknesses right now. I will only take a trade in this type of market condition when I have some proper weaknesses. And another thing is, you can see, though this is an uptrend, but you cannot really connect the trend. You cannot really connect the trend. It doesn't really work when you try to connect these levels. You see that it has yet to respect it if you start from this level, and if you also try to connect these areas, you will also see that something different is happening. Though this one seems to connect a little bit, but we will wait to see if we can have proper weaknesses, and I will be looking at this level as well. This is a very previous strong resistance level. I want that level to break. If that level breaks, the market is probably going to bounce around for some time, and if I have the weaknesses that I'm looking for, I'm going to place a 5-minute trade. So I will have that set up. This is Euro JPY chart. So we will wait to see all of this, to see the market meet all of these conditions. Unless it happens, I am not going to place a single trade. So I will wait till I can have the proper weaknesses that I want to have before I place that trade. But you can be rest assured that I am in favor of the market going with the buyers, which is I am going to go with higher options here if I have the chance. I am not sure that the market is in the favor of the sellers in this type of market condition, unless we have this level break. If the market reverses back and breaks this level, then we can say that now the market wants to go with the sellers. But for now, I'm in favor of this market going with the buyers. Though the market breaking this level seems to me like the buyers are now getting weak, but until this level is broken, we can still say that they are in charge. So we'll wait to see what will happen after all the weaknesses. So I'm going to wait all the weaknesses out, and then we will see if we can trade. So and that will take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this video and I'm going to trade when I have the chance. And as usual, I'm going to explain everything about the setup so that you can learn and apply the same when you trade. So if you are here for the first time and you want to see this content again, please do it to subscribe and also turn on that bell icon so you don't miss out in our future content. So sit back, relax, and let us wait. So guys, I have placed this trade, and the reason is simple. I'll wait for this trade to finish, and at the end of this trade I'm going to explain why I've placed this trade. So sit back, relax, and let us wait. So guys, we have won this trade. Now let me explain why I took this trade. Like I said, the reason I placed this trade is pretty simple, so I will take this off. Now when we came into this chart, the first thing I did was I tried to analyze the chart, and I realized that this was a very strong uptrend situation, because you can see that this is a current high, and this is a higher low swing, and the market has reversed from this higher low swing very sharply, and since then the market has continued to rise. But I would not place my trade like this, because the reason is I have not found the proper weaknesses to place my trade. So I said I was in favor of the market going up, in favor of the buyers, and then I was not going to place my trade unless I have a proper weakness. If I have placed my trade on this level, I will have won, because at least you can see that this is a very strong level also in the market. But I didn't do that. Why? Because I have not found proper weaknesses like I just mentioned. And the next thing I said was I was going to have a zone, which is this previous resistance level, and if the market breaks this level, I'm going to place my trade. Now the market broke the level on this candle, but I didn't place my trade. The reason is simple. The market broke all the way to this level, and the sellers came inside and pushed the market all the way down, and the market closed almost in the middle of where it has opened, which for me was not in favor of my strategy. I was not going to trade this type of candle, because I wanted to have at least a full body candle that will break above this zone. That was why I didn't place this trade. For those of you who are wondering why I have not placed my trade after I said I was going to do that. Now also another thing was that though I was having the weaknesses which were coming in this smaller candles, I didn't still take this trade. Why? Because of this rejection. So I waited for this strong candle that came and broke this, and that came and broke above all these two candles, which has been a very strong fight between the buyers and the sellers, and I placed my trade on this candle. You can also see that when this level broke, the market reversed back, and it has now used this level as a new support to go up in the favor of the buyers. So at the end of this candle, I took my trade, and we ended up winning this trade. So everything was quite in our favor. We have the trend, we have we have the levels, which has worked previously very strongly, and also we had the weaknesses which came in form of these small candles, and then we have this strong entry from the buyers, which has now shown that the buyers, they want to step in, and at least they can push the market up in favor, or that they can push the market up at least for a period of 5 minutes. And you can see that though the market is reversing, but we have now won this trade quite easily. So you can see that by price structure, since this is a previous structure that the market have broken, it will now reverse back. It will now use this level again as a resistance. We can expect some weaknesses again around this level, and then when these weaknesses come and then the buyer steps in again, the market will now run again. This time this high is now going to be broken. Probably this level again will be broken. So this is how the market move. The market doesn't move in a straight line like this. It will run, it will retrace, it will run, it will retrace and run. So you see, every run and every retracement, it will continue to break previous levels. If the market is going in an uptrend, it will continue to break the resistance levels just like that. It is the support levels in an uptrend that are quite not easy to break, because when a support level is broken, when the market is in an uptrend, it will signal a change of trend. So this is all about this trade session, and I hope you have learned something and you can also practice and apply the same when you trade. So if you are here for the first time, you need to join this channel by hitting that subscribe button so that you can be a part of this channel, and also you are going to turn on the bell icon because you don't want to miss out in our future content. If you find value in this video, do well to smash the like button, and also if you have questions, do well to drop them on the comment section. I will do my best to answer all of your questions. So if you are here for the first time, these are the kind of content you need to see. You need to see proper live trades. You need to know how it is going, why things are happening, so that you can know exactly what to do and what not to do in your own trading journey. So you need to also perish the idea of plotting multiple indicators on your chart. These things will not help you. Indicators will not help you. Trading robots will not help you as well. You need to learn how to trade proper price action, and this is what this channel is all about. So do well and subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and I'll see you again in my next one. But until then, make sure you keep trading, make sure you keep working hard, and have a good day.